source very rich. Some fireworks source very rich. The neighbors.
Oh my goodness! That is cool. Do that again.
That was even.
Oh no, we were just warming up. No,
Yeah, that's just the beginning of one.
Yeah,
All
we're
that was
just
done
warming
is
up,
beginning
everyone.
of one, and we got 10 levels.
Because they
And then the 11th one is the grand finale.
and they
Of 50 of
show
them.
that we're brighter than them.
guys,
Man, I'm gonna be very sad after this.
guys, stop talking and watch.
Not the fireworks is also.
Joel.
Stop.
My goodness, that was a lot.
Did you notice Winter ain't here always on every 4th of July? She ain't here.
Or Christmas.
She's not even here on every 4th of July. I'm serious.
Or Christmas.
Yeah. She leaves like after she opens her present, or sometimes don't, and just come home. It's not fair. So bad.
That one over the house.
Hey, I really couldn't get that one on camera.
What? I see
You
nothing.
missed it. You missed
Oh, there
it.
they go.
Oh.
Nothing. You're.
I see stuff.
Get down before you get hurt.
I don't see nothing.
Me either.
They're setting off a couple of
Down.
screechers.
Joey,
I got that
get
one that
on the
time.
porch.
You ain't used to it.
Baby, you're fine.
Okay,
What are you hitting me? Get move!
Make it go. Should have thought the sky.
Whoa.
Oh, this one's bright. This one's the same one, but it's different.
I've seen brighter.
That was brighter.
Yeah.
Ah.
I think I have line in my eye.
Oh.
That's nothing. You should see the sun.
No, like daytime.
Like, that's nothing.
Nobody cannot see the sun because it's too bright.
They do this at night because
There's the moon.
we're always bright.
No, not this one.
I don't see the moon.
Yeah, it's probably in the front. When we're done, go in the front and see.
Let's just watch as the embers descend.
Oh, never mind.
And hey, Cody in there.
Just right away. In the background, like. big explosion. Like a nuke. Well. The loudest one.
Hey, give me
Like 4 of the, or 10 of the biggest fireworks ever.
Oh,
He sets them all off.
he basically did. He lit off 4,000 fireworks at the same time.
Ooh.
He actually did it.
Look at the whole bag of it.
He actually, it's actually a video.
Oh,
Just put gas in there, and in the whole bag.
That's not smart.
Yeah, just put a ton of gas
Just getting gas. Get started. No, you better
I got some fireworks for you.
You better run as fast as you can.
It has to be all far away over there.
No.
And also, always.
Did he really?
Yeah.
How?
He was so scared.
Probably scaring from the fireworks.
Did he break the hook?
I think so, yeah. I don't know.
He breaks everything every 4th of July.
Yeah, every 4th of July he
Jeez,
breaks it.
next year he's gonna break
Last
the
year I had to
cage.
chase him up
Yeah,
the
probably.
No, he's gonna break his teeth next year.
Wasn't he here?
He already broke his teeth.
I remember last time they were doing fireworks, he got outside and was running around.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
2, 3.
That was a good beat.
Who cares?
I wish they had like 50 of those or 100. Oh, that would
Can't touch his. Can't touch his.
Bam.
Guys, get ready.
Ready for
More
what?
talking.
Dude, I'm
more
gonna
you go
look
back.
up Mr. Beast next time I get
They said it like no.
Joey?
I'm just kidding.
You be sticking in the house.
Shut up, dude.
Shut up.
Why did I do some of these at night? It's like light.
They're gonna overdo it again.
I'll show you how we're doing it next year.
That's it, Jesse, Joey, save up all
Next
your
year we're
money.
gonna win a lot.
Save all our money.
Save up all that money. They're still doing big ones after like an hour.
Save up all
They're
our
saying
money.
a big,
Yeah, like
big
tons of
Joel.
300.
Joel, they're saying a big, big one
We
left.
have a big one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very big one?
Yes.
Very
No.
big.
No, very little one, if you know what I mean.
It's a 50 one. No, it's a 1.
Well, Cody got 300.
Good.
You already used it.
I don't know if you already did or not, but
You already used it.
Yeah, I think it was that one.
Yeah, like that. Like,
Yeah, it was the one. No, that's the one was 50.
you're deaf.
Oh, he's holding 2. 1, 2,
Yeah, like that.
53,
There's 100 of that. Negative 20.
5, 6,
Negative
8.
30. Negative 40. Negative 50. I like it.
Stop.
Oh.
Okay, I like you to those combined. That looks like cramps.
You don't need the light, girl.
Cody does.
No, he got it.
Pow.
Okay, you called it.
Pow!
Pow.
Pow!
Pow.
Pow!
Woo!
Let's go our fireworks and not theirs.
And fire. Oh!
Alright, did you
Like
come
what?
back, boys?
Skylar's your assistant.
And you, oh, you say pull the guns out? You see me?
Hey, I mean the fireworks and light a few.
Nope.
Well, that's
Scala.
last one.
Solid, baby.
Oh, we're over? Okay, yay, we're over. Let's go home.
not over.
Wait, how
After
many
this, we
more
are
do you
going
got?
home. Joey, after this, we are going home.
In your dreams, kid. Charlotte, turn it off.
No.
Turn it off.
Don't you just love
I found one way over here.
No, Joey, just line up a bunch of fireworks, pour gasoline all over them, make a line come to you, set it off, and
That
then
what
run.
I just said.
What?
In your dreams, kid. In your
I
dreams,
didn't
kid.
But yeah, we should make a line.
We actually thought about it 2 years ago.
Yeah.
Remember, we're like,
Oh,
playing
yeah.
at ourselves? We're like, let's get in line with the
Scala,
firecrackers.
you're flashing me in the eye.
I'm gonna do. And last year, we were like, did tons of 300 ones.
I knew the whole
instead of
neighborhood would be doing
a
it.
line.
I think we had 2 of them last year or something.
Oh, yeah.
Same time.
No, wasn't. I think it was last year.
I think it's 102 of 2. 100.
But I don't know.
They're not. God.
Oh,
I counted about one of them.
I think that was 100. Almost.
I counted about one
I
of them.
counted 97.
I counted
But I
negative
couldn't get-
100.
Well, that's a lot of
I didn't
no
count all of them,
fireworks.
Alright, guys, this is gonna be it, I think.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, you thought.
And finally we can go home.
Ready for it, Mom?
We're probably gonna have a lot
Big
of
one.
snow.
Put the firecrackers.
Alright, shut up and watch.
Why is that one sideways?
Next year, we need to get 100 books.
We should let them
Next year, we need
Hey, remind your dad gets 300.
I'm gonna buy the whole store.
Yeah.
How about we buy the whole store and then it's on fire?
the ones that was in that bucket. We need to get 100 of those. Those were awesome with these. Like,
Need to get a lot of those and buy them all at the same
yeah,
time.
no, dude, those were.
Set it on fire.
Oh, that's dangerous, dude.
Come on, let's go in the front.
You
Yes,
better,
we're
you better
in the
go
front.
10 miles away from me.
We're done? So it's going
Wait, we're done?
No, that would help, because we
Let's
have
go in the
fires
front.
get on that.
Wait, no. Oh, never mind.
That would be like a nuclear.
That's how you become a family friend.
Jesse, Joey, let's go in the front.
No, we're leaving. Hey, Mom, can we go?
No, let's go in the front. Maybe.
I know.
Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe.